Welcome to this summary of the final week of February 2026. This week represented a significant milestone for the AI for LIB community, focusing on practical skills, institutional policy, and the strategic identity of the modern librarian. We are moving past general awareness and into the realm of applied AI capacity building, from Tanzania to India and beyond. A central theme this week was the formalization of university policies. The University of Tennessee's Policy BT0035 serves as a landmark model for responsible AI governance. It establishes that while AI is a permitted tool for learning and productivity, its use must remain within clearly defined boundaries to protect academic integrity and sensitive institutional data. Under this new governance model, instructors hold the primary responsibility for defining AI expectations in their syllabi, stating exactly how and if AI may be used for assignments. Students, in turn, are accountable for following these course-specific rules. Crucially, the policy notes that AI detection tools alone cannot serve as sole evidence of misconduct, highlighting the need for human evaluation. For libraries struggling with how to align AI with their core values, Montana State University has introduced Viewfinder. This is not an AI tool itself, but a structured decision-making resource. It guides institutions through reflections on privacy, bias, and fairness, ensuring that every technological step forward remains aligned with the library's foundational mission. A recent feature in Nature challenges the traditional view of librarians as mere custodians. Instead, it argues that librarians are strategic research partners. In an era of information overload, your expertise in advanced literature navigation and systematic review methods is not just helpful, it is strategic infrastructure. Librarians are now essential collaborators in research data management and open science compliance. You help researchers organize data sets, create vital metadata, and navigate complex mandates from funding agencies like the NIH. By reducing the friction of searching and troubleshooting, you allow scientists to focus on their core mission, discovery. If libraries are to use AI for public-facing services, they must meet professional standards of impartiality. A 2026 study audited open large language models, LLMs, like Llama 3.1 and Gemma 2 for virtual reference services. The goal was simple: to ensure that patrons are treated equitably, regardless of demographic cues in their names. The audit found no detectable racial or ethnic bias and only minimal sex-linked variation in response salutations. While encouraging, the researchers remind us that fairness is not static. Ongoing monitoring and community oversight remain essential to ensure that automated systems do not fall into past human or algorithmic disparities. During the Delnet workshop at JNU, a core message was delivered. The human in the loop is non-negotiable. While LLMs are powerful, they are prone to hallucinations, generating factually incorrect outputs, and systemic bias from their training data. Human expertise is the essential safeguard for academic integrity. The integration of AI into cataloging workflows, such as importing metadata into KOHA via custom GPTs, is a prime example of augmentation. By reducing manual entry time, librarians are elevated from manual processors to metadata strategists, information validators, and ethical supervisors of automated systems. AI is rapidly changing the publishing landscape with AI-written and translated materials. Ignoring this content is no longer sustainable. Libraries must update their collection development policies with a structured framework to protect their credibility while remaining innovative. A robust policy should include three elements: clear definitions of what counts as AI-generated content, consistent quality standards that match those of human-created works, and a requirement for transparency, prioritizing works with human oversight, ensures that your collection remains a trusted resource for the community. For researchers handling large data sets, AI tools like Julius AE, Weasley, and Tableau can dramatically reduce analysis time while improving rigor. Whether it is conversational data analysis or interactive visualization, these tools generate reproducible code and insights that were previously time prohibitive. In the realm of qualitative and mixed methods research, platforms like ALYSD, NVivo, and Atlas TCI are providing gold standard support. These tools offer AI-assisted coding, thematic analysis, and semantic search across hundreds of languages, allowing for a deeper understanding of primary research data. In conclusion, the future of AI in libraries is not about automation alone. It is about augmentation guided by human intelligence. Whether we are drafting institutional policies or collaborating on a nature-worthy research project, our responsibility is to govern these tools wisely and lead our communities with structured, values-driven leadership.